like here, I'm like, oh, I mean, if we back here, I'm like, oh, wearing this at 6 o'clock. Like, I'll wear this anytime.
Yep.
I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna be like a crazy man at the airport saying, how dare you?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be a Karen or whatever.
Karen.
What's the male version of it? Is it a Ken? Kyle?
Yeah, probably like a Kyle.
Well,
That's lava from 2 months ago.
And they're going up for Pacaya. So it's a little bit thunder right now and rain. Here we're going up, 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 up. Maybe not in shape. 115 poles, 160. Just worked 15 minutes. Really, here's the thunder and all of that. Here we go. Beautiful, really landscape over here at the volcano. Here. Oh, up here, the volcano of Pacaya. You can feel it in the legs. One step at a time, my watch friends. Oh, here we go. Okay guys, look at this view. Amazing view. And still there's some left to walk and climb here.
Damn, those cats.
Yeah.
I see that Dragon Ball Z tattoo.
Yeah, I saw that too. That's awesome. You like that? You like that intro?
Yeah.
I love that.
Remember that meme I sent you where it's like, you guys should go, just going like, and the guy's just like, I quit. He's like, I knew there was a very low chance of working, but I didn't want to take that risk.
So a few weeks, that's up there. You see all of the smoke coming up there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's inside a few weeks.
2 weeks ago? Wow.
Now it's off for the Colorado rain.
Hello guys, so this dog is much stronger than me, obviously, because he just walks up. Vamos, vamos, Chichito. Or maybe it's better he stayed there. I don't know, he was here. Need to work a little bit with my exercise. I have been repairing too many watches lately. This is not my trash. That is our plan, right? I will take it off. Because it's our planet.
God, I don't
I'm
want to
sorry, I
do
can't
that.
give you this one.
Oh my God, look,
I
Jada.
have another one. Oh.
75-35 split. I'll let you guys decide.
That doesn't add up to 100.
Oh yeah, that's 105.
110.
That's 110.
No, 65 and 35. 70 and 30. Oh.
Making some coffee there.
Babe, you're so tall. I forget sometimes.
No, it's just the angle. It's a lot.
6, 7 hours.
Because how many hours can you stay at Pacaya? You have to get there really early, right? You have to leave like 5 a.m.
Es que ellos son muy cochinos,
I see.
porque ellos cualquier cosa, cualquier animal ellos se lo comen.
And my nephew's like, it's really cool to see my nephew with him because he's so sweet and he's like so caring. I'm like, you know, how do you say the best? Esmeo, yeah. It's so
This is wow. Clouds has come. Doesn't see anything now. Now we're returning back. Aquí se pierde fácil. No se mira solo unos metros, mira. Wow. No se mira para nada. Ahí están las nubes, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Estamos cabal en el sky. Sky is the limit. Si caes ahí, no.
Regresas,
No.
te vas como las piedras rodando.
Cabal. Finally we did it, and some lightning show up here. Everything seems fine.
cute and I just loved it.
Oh yeah, it is wet out there.
Since we're only about 7 miles out.